Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video and another giveaway. The channel has reached yet another milestone of 90,000 subscribers. As of this moment, I believe it's 90,090, something like that. So as usual, a giveaway is in order, because if you follow my channel, you know I do these giveaways every 10,000 subscribers. I usually give away a G-Shock or any kind of Casio watch, but this time Wicked Watch Co., the watch that I unboxed recently and the review is coming up shortly, decided to sponsor this. So they're gonna be giving away their Pearl Diver to one of you guys. And it's not gonna be this one, because this one is a prototype that I have to send to the next reviewer, but they will be sending you a brand new production piece that's gonna have a certain changes like the logo and little details. So to participate in this giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber. So if you're not already, please do subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I upload. After that, you have to like the video and you have to comment on this video. All the comments that get published by next Tuesday, which I believe is the 27th of April, are gonna enter the giveaway. And the giveaway draw is gonna be held on Wednesday. So subscribe, like, and comment. Now, as usual, this giveaway is international, meaning I will be sending this watch to you or Wicked Watch Co. anywhere in the world on their own expense. So the only possible expense you might get are import duties and taxes, which is something that we cannot avoid. So I wish everyone a good luck, and I wish to thank all of you for following me so long, especially those that have been with me from the start. I never even dreamed of reaching 10,000, let alone 90,000 subscribers. So as usual, I will be publishing my videos every Wednesday, every Sunday. Sometimes I'll miss the Wednesday video, but the program is gonna be as usual, except next Wednesday when we do the giveaway draw. So that's pretty much it. So thank you again, and I wish you all the best of luck in the giveaway draw. So see you in the next one. Bye.